It was in 1994 that Prithviraj Kothari and Bhavarlal Kothari started Riddhi Siddhi Bullions Limited, or RSBL, out of a little single room office. In fact, they had first begun their own journeys by delivering gold on cycles when they were young. Their passion and hard work led to the birth of RSBL as we know it today. Equipped with wit and determination, they raised a multinational conglomerate right from the ground up. In 2003, RSBL played a crucial role in the devising of India's first gold and silver futures contracts. The first ever idea of a gold ETF in the world was conceptualized in the RSBL office as paper gold. In 2008, they launched a revolutionary initiative, the RSBL Spot, a fully electronic spot physical platform for gold and silver. It is the world's leading and India's largest physical bullion platform. The founders did not stop there. Their constant strive for growth led to more. Now, RSBL is a global diversified multi-commodity trading and manufacturing company. RSBL is even one of the few companies in India that is licensed to operate white label ATMs. To top it all off, Prithviraj Kothari was awarded the title Bullion King of India multiple times. RSBL has won several awards for its invaluable contribution to the gold and silver industry. RSBL believes in contributing towards community empowerment. RSBL had the privilege to be one of the few nominated agencies and 5-star trading houses. RSBL has been consistently featured in the top 15 unlisted companies in Business Standard's Thousands list of India's top companies. Prithviraj Kothari and Bhavarlal Kothari also strove to give back to society in as many ways possible. So much so that trust, value for money, and social responsibility are integral pillars in the RSBL philosophy. Their hard work is the backbone of celebration of the Silver Jubilee milestone of this golden company. Built out of trust, right focus, and incessant innovation, RSBL celebrates 25 years by thanking its founding families, employees, and of course, its loyal customers for the legacy they have helped to create. A legacy that will continue on into the years to come.